Hi guys, I'm Vidya. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a soap recipe for men's. It is a coffee and almond soap, and I'm also going to share a tutorial for a gift box for this soap. It is like a suit box and it opens like this. And it also has a small section to write your wishes. So to know how to make this soap and this gift box, let's jump on to the tutorial. So to make this soap, we'll need these ingredients. I have taken coffee and I have powdered it further. I have taken some roasted almonds and I have also powdered it in grinder. I have used melt and pour soap and a stirrer. I have taken natural soap base. Now in a double boiler, I'm going to melt this soap base. I have taken around 60 grams of base. And now I'm going to add that powdered coffee. I'm going to add little by little to see how it goes, but I ended up using the whole spoon. I'm very happy with the color and I can also smell the aroma of coffee. I'm now going to add that powdered almond. I have roasted the almonds first and then I have powdered it using a grinder. I ended up using 1 teaspoon of almond powder. Once everything was mixed well, I'm now going to pour this in a soap mold. I'm going for a square soap mold. And I'm now going to let this soap cure for at least 3 days. And now for the soap gift box, I have taken this thick cardstock. I have measured the soap and I have around 5 centimeters of soap. So I have taken the center part as 6 centimeters, slightly bigger than my soap. And then I have left 2 centimeters of space on either sides and then 4 centimeters of space on the other 2 sides. So that means one of the sides will be 2 plus 6 plus 2, that is 10 centimeters, and the other side will be 4 plus 6 plus 4, that is 14 centimeters. Now I'm going to give a cut like so on all the 4 sides. Now I'm going to fold along the lines to form a box. And I'm going to secure this using some glue. Now for the outer slider, I'm going to take a piece of a paper which is 17 centimeters in length and I'm going to score it at 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and I'm going to fold it along all these lines. I'm going to stick that 1 centimeter part to form this kind of a slider. Now I have taken a 6 centimeters by 5.5 centimeters of a black paper. And at the smaller side, I have scored it at 2 centimeters. And now I'm going to glue down that 2 centimeters part, leaving the 3.5 centimeters of that paper floating. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Now it's time to shape up this floating part as a suit. And it is pretty easy. I'm just folding it at an angle. Now I have taken a small piece of that yellow paper and I'm going to fold it like so. And at the back, I'm going to then give it a little bit of angle and fold it like this. Now I'm going to cut that excess part at the bottom. And using glue, I'm going to stick this on the slider. And that becomes the collar of our shirt. Now using a silver marker, I'm going to give the border to our suit. Now it's time to demold our soap. I'm just going to give a little bit of pressure and it's out. It looks great and it smells amazing. I'm now wrapping it in a baking paper. And this wrapped soap is ready to be packed in that cute little gift box. I decided to paint 2 little buttons for this suit. And our all natural coffee almond soap along with its gift packing is ready. Hey guys, I hope you liked today's video tutorial for the soap and this gift box. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.